Changing your payout method on TaskRabbit is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure you receive your payments through your preferred method. Step 1. Log into your account. Open the TaskRabbit app or website and log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Access account settings. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in the databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Select payout method. In the payment settings, find the option for payout method or payment information. Click on it to view your current payout methods. Step 4. Add or edit payment method. Choose to add a new payout method or edit an existing one. Enter the required details such as bank account information or payment service details and ensure all information is accurate. Step 5. Save changes. After entering the new information, make sure to save your changes. You may receive a confirmation message indicating that your payout method has been successfully updated. By following these steps, you can easily change your payout method on TaskRabbit. Make sure to check your payment settings periodically to ensure everything is up to date.